Thanks so much for clicking on the video. I really appreciate it. And today we're going to talk how you can make some money in 2022 from YouTube. So leave a like and comment down below, and then we're going to jump right into the content of this video. Obviously right now I'm sitting here talking to you guys, trying to make a connection so that someone will subscribe because they have felt like they got some kind of value from my video, and that's all I'm trying to do right now. But what's amazing is that if I do that long enough, someday I'll get paid, and most likely get paid a lot of money for, you know, making videos for you guys to hopefully gain some kind of help from. That is what is amazing about why YouTube is going to be the 2022 side hustle online for you guys. I mean, that's what I'm talking about. You guys have to get on here, make some videos, connect with your audience, make an audience more like a family. Then I promise someday in the future, you guys too will be making money right alongside me. But more than making money, more than that, it's about helping y'all and reaching out and seeing what kind of content you guys need help with, so that I can give you guys some kind of value and help you guys shape your life the way you want it to be. But YouTube is going to be the 2022 online hustle for you guys because it's so easy. You can jump in, you can make a video after work, after dinner, in the morning, at night, whatever it takes. You can get some subscribers, and then once you get the 1,000 subscribers, the 4,000 hours watch time, boom, you'll make money. I promise. I'm telling you guys, people are doing it, people are still doing it, so you guys need to jump on the train and find your niche, find your content, get your editing skills up to par, and then bingo, let them rip, make some money, and, you know, leave me a comment and tell me that you're gonna do some of them, some of these steps this year. I would love to watch you guys' channels grow, and you know, I could elaborate more on YouTube, and maybe I should, but that's what I'm gonna leave with you guys this week, as I've been feeling horribly sick, and obviously you can probably tell in this video I'm not feeling very good, but at the same time I don't want to leave my subscribers hanging. So thank you so much for clicking, and you know, stay tuned for next week's video and go watch the past ones. Thanks. Hard video to make right now.